that's the perfect bite.
Hi everyone, I'm here to cook 3 pepper chicken for y'all. It's a recipe that Judy posted some 10 years ago, and it was from a Chinese restaurant, a Sichuan Chinese restaurant, and we ordered this 3 pepper chicken, and it was delicious. And it's since actually gotten more popular, even since we posted the recipe, but I feel like the recipe wasn't quite the same as the restaurant, so every time I cooked it, it was sort of missing something. But just a few months ago, I actually got a chance to go behind the scenes in a Sichuan restaurant, and I was quizzing the chef about it, and he happened to cook this, and I said, I'm gonna learn how to do it. So I'm gonna teach you some secrets. First of all, to explain the dish, 3 peppers are long hot green peppers. The second pepper are these dried red peppers, and they get super toasty and fragrant. And the third pepper is the Sichuan peppercorn. So the other thing that I learned from the Sichuan restaurant when I was observing was that the chicken is not marinated at all. There's nothing, literally nothing on it, and all they do is deep fry it. And for quite a long time, you get a nice crust on it, beautiful, fragrant, skin-on chicken. You get that chicharroni fried chicken flavor. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do sort of a wok fry and a shallow fry and give it a shot. I think we can get it pretty close. So off to the wok, right? We're at the wok here, and we've got everything at arm's length. Turn on the wok. We're gonna wait till it gets smoking. And we're gonna add a good amount of oil because at the restaurants, they deep fry this chicken. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna sort of shallow fry, wok fry this chicken. So I'm gonna add about 2.5 tablespoons, maybe 3 tablespoons of oil. Coat the wok really well. In the chicken goes. Gonna spread this in one layer. Skin down if you can. Look at that. Preheat the wok right. No stick. So I'm actually gonna turn it slightly down because this chicken has to cook for a little while, and we gotta get a nice crust on the outside. But you know, for your home wok or your home stove, I think you basically want to have full blast. In the deep fryer, the chef put it in there for, I would say, it was like 8 to 9, almost 10 minutes. Look at all the oil that's been rendered out of there. It's sort of a slow cook, but I would say this is the equivalent of deep frying at 350 degrees. All right, this chicken has been going for about almost 10 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes. But depending upon how your wok fire goes, how much oil you're using, because I'm using a pretty good amount of oil. A lot of it's been rendered. So I started with about 2.5, 3 tablespoons, and now I got well over a 1/4 cup. I probably got a 1/3 cup in here, but it's good. It's frying its own fat. It's got a nice crust on it, just like at the restaurant. So now I'm gonna scoop it up. I'm gonna turn off the flame first. Drain some of the oil, set it aside. All right, and that is a pound of chicken, folks, right there, rendered down nicely. I'm gonna fry the peppers now. No cleaning the wok necessary. Turn the flame back on, and now I'm gonna scorch the peppers. Oh yeah, beautiful. You're gonna fry them until they get a nice scorch to them. And in the restaurant, they just throw this right in the deep fryer. All right, these are ready to come up. See that nice scorch on them right there? Pick this up. Okay, I'm gonna set it aside. Now, it looks like we got a little bit too much oil in here. I'm gonna take some out. So we're gonna leave about 2 tablespoons of oil in there. The high heat part of this is kind of over here. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to toast the peppercorns. Add those. And this actually is a very low heat because you don't want to burn any of this. Now you get a nice toasty flavor on them. Smell that? Smell that? Oh yeah. A little bit, yes. Next I'm going to put the ginger first. Again, this is all low heat. And then I'm going to put the doubanjiang in. Doubanjiang is a spicy bean paste. It's made with broad beans. And very salty. There's not a lot of substitution. You want to get the artisan doubanjiang actually, which is the kind of rough kind instead of the smooth. But if you can't get that, you can get the smooth kind. I'm gonna put the garlic in next. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the chicken. Give that a little mix. Put the peppers back in. Put a little Shaoxing wine. Turn the fire up a bit. Add a little bit of sugar. Sugar just balances the flavor of the dish. And then I'm gonna add about, to taste, salt. This really depends upon how salty your doubanjiang is. Give it a few tosses. This is where you add a little bit of scallion for some flavor. Extra oniony flavor. Turn up the flame a bit. Give it a few tosses. No soy sauce in Sichuan cooking practically. And this is no different. This is ready to plate. Get every bit. 3-pepper chicken. Oh yeah, very nice. 3-pepper chicken, restaurant style. You can do it at home. And believe it or not, you can actually do this in a skillet or a pan. You don't have to have the wok. The only high heat cooking that you're really doing is frying the chicken and scorching the peppers, and then afterwards it's all about finesse to get all the flavor out of the Sichuan peppercorn and the dried peppers. So let's go to the table. Here it is. Ah, see this 3-pepper chicken, the best things are these little bits of toasted aromatics, ginger, garlic, the peppercorns, and one of these little peppers. That's the perfect bite. Very spicy, very nice. Oh boy, that's good. You get a nice piece with a chicharron. Really good.
It's really good. I just had a piece of like chicken skin that just tasted like really good.
Eat a pepper.
Pretty good.
Whew, spicy.
It's actually not that spicy.
You're not eating any peppers. All you're eating is chicken.
3-pepper chicken lover. This passes the test.
Make it at home, folks. If you like this video, like and subscribe to thewoksoflife.com. First had it at our favorite restaurant, local restaurant. It was it.
Marley!
If you like this fish, give us. If you like this pepper, yeah.